Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Pixel 3a and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on backup and we will go immediately to this Google account section. So let's tap on add account and make sure that we've got the internet connection because it is required. Here in this step you can either create a new account or type your email or phone, so let me do it and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on next. Here you have to decide who will be using this device, so just tap on next. And Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. Here you've got the information what kind of data your device will backup, so apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings and text messages. Your device will backup the data automatically, store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on. And another backup section where you can check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up, and advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off. So to finish everything, simply tap on backup now, and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be, of course, as you can see, you have to confirm also. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.